It's Lake Lewisville, Little Elm Park, doing a little exploring. And wind's pretty wild, get the waves going. See if I don't get wet here. Oh, too late, got wet. Ah! Dang it. It smells so good. Yeah, smell of spring. Let's see what's down this trail. Ducky. Little mallard. Oh, little bunny. Hey, we got a little cactus over here. We got some flowers. Indian paintbrushes, or whatever you call those. I think this is basically a deer trail. I used to keep this trimmed down years ago. Looks like they haven't done much to it lately. Hopefully we don't see any snakes. Came to a little fork in the road. Let's go this way. Try to stay out of the mud. See some little red robins over here. See if we can catch a glimpse of them. There he is. Oh, little butterfly. There he is. Now. Where you going, buddy?